Hello guys, in this video we will learn how we can create pairs game using Gdevelop platform. So let me show you the game first. So that's the game here and this is the default template of Gdevelop. So what I will do here, I will use that template and we will make that game multi-level. So after completing that all pairs, you can see that how we can place it. See that one is paired. So that's why it's one pair is one complete. Like this. So you have to complete that pair like this. So this is the single level game. So we are going to create this game as a multi-level game. Okay, so let me show you how we can do that. So first of all, you have to download Gdevelop because we are going to use our own background or own images. So we have to use here offline version of Gdevelop. So first of all, download that, click on download, and you can download it for MacBook and for Windows and for Linux. So after downloading this, you have to install the software and open this. So I already have that, so I'll open that. So that's the first screen of our Gdevelop platform. So we have to use here the pairs that one template, this one game we are going to use. So you can search from here, click on browse all, or you can search, or you can find it, just scroll down like that, this, and you will find that pair game, this one. So you have to click on that pair game, click on the open. And the project name is okay, or you can just say my pair game and create project. So that's the game here. Let me just show you the preview of that game first. So click on that preview button and that's the game here. So let me just play this game like this. After completing all pairs, you can see you won and new game. So you just need to click on new game and this will start from again. Okay, so what we will do here, we will create the another screen of that game and we will change some icons of that, all these icons we will change and we will use it at level 2. Okay, so how we can do that? So let me just show you. So first close that. Now we will create the another screen of that, all that component. So click on that here in the top side here and you can see the scenes. And you will find your new scene is the one screen. So click on that 3 dot and just click on that duplicate, this one, and that is our new scene. So double click on that new scene and you can see that's the overall game and that's the new event. So now I'm going to change the background of that screen. So first of all, you can see the background option, see this one. So we just need to 3 dot click on that and delete that component from here. This is the new scene, second screen. Okay, and okay, delete it. Now click on add new object and then click on split and then click on add animation, click on add option, and we will choose any image from our desktop or anywhere, so from our computer. So select that one background and then okay, and then apply, and you can see that the new object. So drag and drop that object here like this and make this one is like little bit smaller like this and drag and drop like this here. And now click on that background and you can see the desired order is 23, so make it 1 like this. Now we need to change that icons here. You can see that's the card grab, that one icon. So double click on that and you can see this one. Now we need to click on the added with pixel. So select that one and click on added with pixel. Now you can see that's the icon here. Now we need to change that. So click on that in the right side, you can see the import. So click on that and you can see the browse image. Click on browse image and you need to choose any image. You can choose any image. So I'm going to choose here my logo and make sure this should be 64 into 64 in the size. So select that 64 into 64 and import as a single image and then next and then replace this and okay. See, that's the logo. And now we just need to click on save and then just apply. Cool. Now we need to do one condition here. Go to the new scene event, this one event, okay, this one, and scroll down and you will see here one code, simple. Scroll down, you can see check if the game is won. So what I will do on that action, if someone won the game, so we will change the screen. So click on add action and just type here change scene. Can you change the scene? Click on and select the scene to this one and then just click on OK. So after winning the game, we will change the screen to this one. Now go to the scene to label here, new scene 2, and in the design section, and we will use here one text box. So click on add new component, new object, sorry, click on text, and you just type here level 2, something like that. Make that size 50 and make this color something white, and then just click on apply and just drag and drop that object here, this one, and you can display that object in the top like this. Now go to the new scene here, and now let's play that game again, this one, and let's play this game. See, we win the game, and you can see the level 2 pairs 0. This is the level 2. Okay, you can make that background from that left side also. Okay, you can make stretch that background. Now check that we will find a TCB logo icon also. So let's just play. See, that's the TCB that we have changed. So you can change all these icons. Okay, so I have to find my TCB again. This is TCB and this is TCB. Cool. Like that we can play that game also, or you can increase the level 3 also. You have to just change the code. After completing that level 2, we can move our game to level 3. So that's the overall game. So that's the level 2. You can increase that like level 2 to level 3, 4 and 5, or you can change all these icon also. So that's the overall game, and you can export that game as a EPK file also, or you can upload that EPK file in the Play Store. So if you don't know how to upload APK file, how to create an APK file of that Gdevelop, so you can watch this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe. Bye bye.